I'm going to show you an extremely quick and easy way to set the alignment on the front of your car. I used this same process to set the alignment on my 356 a year ago. I drive that car all the time. It handles great. This is my 1973 Fiat 850 Spider. It's a complete custom build. I put a 1000cc GSXR motorcycle engine in the back of it. I just got this car on the road recently, and so of course I had to do a front end alignment on it. People have asked me how I do my alignment, and I've never seen anyone else do it the same way. I know there are a lot of overly complicated ways of doing it at home, but my way is so simple and easy I figured I should make a video on it. Okay, so the first step is to center your steering wheel. Then you're going to get down on your hands and knees and you're going to eyeball it. You're not going to use any special tools, no tape measure, nothing like that. You're just going to eyeball it. You're going to close one eye and look down the edge of the tire. You're going to move until you see the back edge of the front tire line up with the rear tire, right at its edge, right there. Now that your eye is lined up with the tire, you can see how much toe-in you have, and you can adjust it to your preference. To adjust the toe-in, you adjust the tie rod length. The suspension on the Fiat is all custom, so it may look a little bit different than yours. As a point of reference, this is the tie rod on the 356. Now we just loosen up the nuts for the tie rod adjuster, and we just spin the adjuster. You spin it one way and it makes the tie rod longer, you spin it the other way and it makes the tie rod shorter. On this particular car, we're going to lengthen the tie rod to give us less toe-in. Now the amount of toe-in you have is kind of a matter of preference. There's lots of different opinions as to how much you should have. But as you can see here, I'm going to adjust it out until basically the rim disappears, and I have what is probably an 1/8 inch at max on each side, so that would be around 1/4 inch of toe-in total. You repeat the exact same process on the other side without moving the steering wheel, and then you tighten down the safety nuts, and you're done. See, I told you that was easy. Now as you can see, the steering wheel is straight when I'm driving straight. The car also feels really good in the corners. It self-centers as it should. The steering doesn't feel twitchy at all. The car doesn't follow lines in the road. It handles really well. Even at highway speeds, the car still feels great. It goes in a straight line, it handles really well, so I call that a success. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.